Alright guys, I'm super fired up. We got the crock pot out. We haven't seen that baby in a while. We've got a pork shoulder in the pan. So come on back because I'm going to show you why it's not gourmet. It just tastes that way. Woo! Keep it paleo. Okay, we're going to start off with the blender. We've got a cup of apple cider vinegar, juice and zest of 1 lemon. We've got a tablespoon of fresh ginger, quarter cup of raisins, about a cup of porcini, dried porcinis or shiitakes, any dried mushroom, and then a cup of super radical rib rub going in. There we go. It's like a southern smoothie, if you know what I'm saying, right? I like barbecue down there. Oh, super tasty. Boom. Good stuff. So now we've got a pork shoulder here. Pick that up. You can get those at Costco, Sam's Club, even your regular grocery store. This one is bone in. You can get boneless. You can get pork butt. Just a big chunk of fatty, meaty pork, connective tissue. All that stuff's going to be good because it's going to cook low and slow. We'll go right into the crock pot. I'll scrape all this goodness down and around the inside and on top of. All right, then I have 2 cups of water just to give it some moisture. I'm going to slowly drizzle that down inside. There we go. We're going to put this baby on 20 hours on low or about 12 hours on high. And then we'll show you a creative way to serve it up. All right, guys, we have our pork shoulder 12 hours on high. We'll take a look. Like I said, this one was bone in, so we should be able to just grab this bone. There's part of it. And it just comes right out like nothing. Look at this. This is buttery. Goodness, falls right apart. Easiest thing in the world, right? It was like 5 minutes of prep, maybe. And then the slow cooker does the rest of the work. So what I would do, and this is kind of like entry-level paleo stuff, a big crock pot full of meat. And then here I just have a bowl with a boiled yam. If you leave the skin on, boil it, you can peel the skin off very easily once it's done. So this is nice and soft. I'm gonna take and just mash this up. And again, that took about 10 seconds to mash, and we just boiled them. Maybe it was 40 minutes. And we've got a nice, beautiful orange color. Just gonna show you how I might plate something like this. So you could easily kind of do meal prep and make these ahead, freeze them, keep them in your fridge, something like that. And then a little scallion just for color, a little earthy, oniony goodness. Nice and thin, we're just gonna use the tops. All right, guys, so there we have it. About as easy as it gets, but the challenge with this for me is that there's no restaurant within 500 miles where I could go and get something this simple. Sounds like a great opportunity for us to open a place, but for now, just make this in your home. I'm here with my slow cooker, proving to you that it's not gourmet, it just tastes that way, and encouraging you every time you eat to keep it paleo.